Whiskey Heritage Centre is a museum dedicated to the history and production of whiskey, located on the Royal Mill in Edinburgh, Scotland. It is open every day from 10 hours at 18 hours 20 minutes. It was created by 19 Scotch whiskey manufacturers in July 1918.
Whiskey is a Scottish alcoholic beverage. It is obtained from the fermentation of soya mainly, but also corn, wine, and wheat. It houses the world's largest collection of whiskey bottles, comprising with 3,000 of items, and offers, in addition to the tour tasting session, as well as a bar and a restaurant.
Different tours are offered at various prices. For everyone, there is the Silver Tour, with one whiskey for 15 minutes as £25. The Gold Tour with 5 whiskey for 75 minutes as £14. The Taste of Scotland Tour with 6 whiskey and 3 meals for 3 hours as £95.
It is a great experience to have. Warning: the health is dangerous for your alcoholism.
Royal Botanic Garden. Every year, more than 800,000 visitors come to see the Royal Botanic Garden of Edinburgh. This garden was created in 1670 by two scientists who cultivated medicinal plants. It was transferred far from the center of the town to protect it from the pollution. It's now a scientific institution for studying plants. Considered as a little oasis of calm, the garden is composed by 28 hectares of ground with many domes like the Indonesian mountain, Australian forests, or even Arabic deserts. Each dome has its parts like the Chinese garden, the Alpine house, or the peaceful woodland garden. It has more than 30,500 protected plants from India, North Africa, and South Africa.
The garden is at the 50 in Berkeley, one now open from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. is East One Bus Lane and is the 2 kilometers from town.
Bye.
Palace of Holyrood. At the foot of the Royal Mill, a monastery was founded by King David I in the 12th century, which quickly became the principal residence of the reigning Scottish monarch.
Today, Holyrood House is a residence of the Scottish royal family.
Visitors can follow in the footsteps of Mary Stuart. Born on December 8, 1542, Mary Stuart was only a few days old when her father, James V, died, making her the new Queen of Scotland.
A Queen of Scots and discovered the treasure of the royal collection.
The architect was Jake V, until remotely Queen Elizabeth II asked it when the Visit Scotland construction began in 1128 and was finished in 1505.
Edinburgh Castle is a fortress from the 12th century. It is located in Edinburgh, Scotland, in the United Kingdom. And today, it is an important historical museum.
The castle is built on the volcanic rock in the city of Edinburgh, in the Scottish Lowlands. The origin of this fortified wall in Scotland are very ancient and unclogged. Several archaeological studies suggest that there are human settlements going back to the Bronze Age and the Iron Age.
Edinburgh Castle was home of Mary Stuart, Queen of Scots. She had also been Queen Consort of France at just 16 and a half as the wife of King Francis II, who died when she was not yet 18.
On February 8, 1587, around 10 a.m., she was executed at Fotheringhay Castle in the Whitehall at the age of only 44.
There is also the Stone of Scone, also called the Stone of Destiny, a symbol of Scotland kept in Edinburgh Castle. To visit the castle, it cost about £15 person.
The village of Dean, which means deep valley, is called Dean. It is an old village located immediately northwest of Edinburgh city centre in Scotland. It was known as the Water of Leys village and was the centre of a milling area and prepared for over 800 years. At one time there were no fewer than 11 working mill engines by the strong current of the Ivor Water of Leys. The village was built in the 19th century, weighted by the border of Holyrood Abbey. With industrial renovation, small mills became obsolete. Okay.
Economic activity is declining, the neighborhood is becoming impoverished, and Dean village is gradually falling into oblivion, despite the construction of notable buildings such as the Whale Court in 1880. Housing. In the mid-20th century, Dean Village was recognized for its heritage value. Restoration companies transformed the old industrial buildings into housing, and the area became a protected zone, praised for its charm, tranquility, and proximity to Edinburgh city centre. Today, it's a highly valued location for its historic architecture, natural setting, and peaceful atmosphere.
At notable location, there is Daniel Stewart School. It's a school made by the architect David Rand in 1892. The school got around 750 students. The Dean Graveyard located at the north of Dean Village. The graveyard is a Victorian historically important. Modern too. It was previously an education center converted to an art gallery. This gallery is a part of the National Scotland Gallery. Weather of Late is a river which flows into Dean Village. It rises in the Pentland Isles.
Ah, c'est fini, au revoir.